The Kern 2600 powerful universal inserting system offers high standards of flexibility, operation, and maintenance for medium to high distribution volumes. With efficient input modules, the Kern 2600 has options of both continuous and single sheet input modules and are designed based on the requirements of modern production. The flexible K2600 inserting system can be operated as both a single-channel or multi-channel system. Semi-automated processes guarantee short changeover times. The modular system can be adjusted to new customer requirements at any time. The K2600 introduces a wide range of options for the future, providing security of investment. The universal inserting system is equipped with durable components within which the application of servo technology deserves special mention. The K2600 is equipped with a 4-pocket folding unit. The continuous input module, SIG-R, SIG-L, can also carry out crossfolds. Ergonomic construction and reduction in configuration parameters offer ease of operation and maintenance. The K2600 document transport path is set very low at 63 centimeters, ensuring the clearest possible view of the production process and making it easier to load documents into the system. The K2600 reading system, supported by live image display, enables fast and direct configuration of the reading unit for the individual application. The K2600 can also be integrated with Kern Mail Factory. The standard configuration alone offers a wide range of reporting capabilities, allowing customers to access pertinent system and production information. The flexibility and plethora of options offered with the Kern 2600 makes this system the perfect option for any production mailing. Persistent growth and new modules will continue to make this system a viable option for years to come.